Todd, what's going on, baby? You know, I'm about to give some more details about what happened today. Okay, here we go. This is my original load rate. Wait, no, that's not the original load. Okay. This is my original load. Hold on. Where is it at? My original load is right. Today's Monday, right? Yeah, my original load came in at 8:43 this morning. 08:43. Hold on. Should I turn the light on around here or what? Let's see. I'll leave it like that. Okay, my original load was at 8:43 today. 08:43. That's this morning. All right. 8:43. Now, I was already empty, so I was gonna drive about 120 miles. You know, give or take, depending on Google Maps or whatever. I was gonna pick it up. I had to pick it up before. So that's before what time is it? That's before 9 o'clock. So pick it up before 9 o'clock p.m. right, and deliver it tomorrow in the morning at 3 in the morning the next day. And I had about 3 to 4 hours left on my clock at this time. Around that much. I forgot exactly. About 3 or 4 hours left on my clock. So pretty much what I was planning on doing, I was planning on picking up this load ASAP, taking a 10-hour break, and then driving. Let me show you. Driving loaded 32 miles after I take my 10-hour break, and deliver this no later than 3 o'clock in the morning on 15. That was the original plan. And I accepted the load, and I was headed that way, right? Then, as I was driving, okay, I sent the load commitment, whatever, the trailer inspection. And then, as I was driving, they sent this shit to my load appointment on the 25th, 10 days from now. They changed the load appointment to 10 days from now, 9 days from now, while I was driving, to be exact, and they voided the dispatch. Look at this. Okay, let me show you one more time. I got the load at 8:43 and I accepted it. That's when I started driving towards the load, the shipper, which was in Fort Worth, Texas, right? I was already headed that way. So from 8:43 to till 11:52. That's how long I was driving in that direction. From 8:43 to 11:52 in the morning. So I was driving. I drove about maybe 2 to 3 hours, at least 2 or 3 hours before they boarded my dispatch. So I was on the interstate driving about 2.5 hours towards my original shipper for the load dispatch they gave me, and then they're gonna cancel it. And then I sent this message: "Is the dispatch cancel?" I'm like, "Hey, how the hell got me driving 2 or 3 hours towards the shipper and then canceled it? That's y'all wasting gas for y'all company. I'm trying to help y'all out. You know, y'all increasing your expenses for no reason, right?" And then they're gonna send me a new load going the opposite direction. So I'm headed north into Dallas. They're gonna send me a new load headed back south. That's crazy. And look at that. That's crazy. That's stone cold crazy. And like I said, when they sent this load to me, what? Let's see. Look, that's another thing. They canceled my dispatch at 11:52. I sent this message at 12:14. Is this dispatch canceled? Remember now, 11:52 they canceled the dispatch. They didn't give me another dispatch till 13:13. That is a total of an hour and about what? That's about an hour and 30 minutes later. They didn't send me a new dispatch for an hour and a half. So I'm sitting there like a chicken with my head cut off, or like a dog with my tail cut off, for no reason. Wondering what the hell I did. Shit, did they really cancel the load or what? What's going on? So from 11:52 to 13:13, I didn't have no dispatch. I just drove 2, maybe 3 hours towards the shipper destination, and then they gonna cancel my load while I'm on interstate, and now I had no load for a whole hour and a half waiting for a damn load. Right? And then they're gonna send me this load right here. And mind you, I only have like maybe two, maybe 3 hours left on my clock. So I have to drive 106 miles from from when they sent the load to me to pick it up at 15:30. Mind you, I had enough time to pick up this load at 15:30, but they wanted me to deliver it the same day at 2000. 2000 would be 8 o'clock p.m. Now I didn't have enough time on my 14 left to deliver it on time at 8 o'clock p.m. because I only had like 3 hours left on my 14. So I had plenty of time to get my load, but then I don't have enough time to deliver it on time at 2000 or 8 o'clock p.m. because actually today it took them about 2 to 3 hours about 3 hours to freaking to load the trailer, you know. So I had to do that, and then the loaded miles 146 miles at least. That's like that's like 2.5 hour drive at least. So like I said, there was no way from when they sent this to me that they knew I was gonna be able to make this on time. No way. That's crazy, ain't it? Look at that. I had a good dispatch, a good delivery, a good load. I'm halfway there. I'm two or 3 hours in the drive, headed to my shipper to be there on time. Then they're gonna slash that in half, cancel it, send me a load that I didn't know good and well that I will not be able to deliver on time legally. They're gonna send me that load to go back in the opposite direction I just came from. So I wasted 2.5 hours of their time, and I wasted their fuel going 2.5 hours north when I gotta go back 2.5 hours back down south to pick up this new load they gave me, which was automatically gonna be late and not show up till the very next day. Crazy, you know. And this looks, for some reason, you know, they're gonna think, oh, I'm the reason why this fucking load's late. When they don't want to send me this crappy ass load. They should be ashamed of themselves, man. They better not mess up my pay because of this crap. I know that much. This is on them, not me. Shit, I'm gonna get a lawyer and tell them, hey, y'all, the reason why why I didn't deliver no load today, because I couldn't have done it legally. I mean, that's some crap. Crazy, ain't it? Look at this. Whenever they get sending your load, they make you just send this right here. I fully understand the load assignment and have the hours available to legally pick it up and deliver the load as a schedule per the load information. If not, send form message 1099. You know, good and well, I had a good load. They're gonna send me this crap. I'll holler at y'all later, y'all. Peace.